Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to open the iCloud drive within Finder on a Mac computer using commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to use keyboard shortcuts. So we can start the tutorial. We can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder and try to locate iCloud. However, if it's not available on the sidebar, you may struggle. So let's just quit Finder using the keyboard shortcut Shift Command and I. That will open up the iCloud drive for you to access all your synchronized photos, videos, documents, data on all devices. If you update on one device, it should synchronize within the cloud and update on all the other devices, so you will always have access to all your information across all platforms. And so we can close out the Finder, and so that's how you open up the iCloud drive using a couple of quick keyboard shortcuts. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.